So here we are again in the middle of a monsoon, and Sal's emptying a bucket we just filled up, and putting it back over to where it's coming off the roof, the hardest. And it's up to my TV set. Of course, I'm standing in water. We have everything unplugged. We made dams. I wonder how many seconds it's going to take for that bucket to fill up. I'll bet you I can do it. I have it taping now. So we'll see how long it takes that bucket to go ahead and, look at it coming out the down on the other side. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. It's been raining all morning. It started like 1, 2 a.m. And there's the bucket. Let's see how long that takes to fill up. And you got the dam. And it's heading for the house, unfortunately. We're going to have to put more things. Of course, I'm in it. Get in the house. Go on. Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. My house is here. And all the dogs, all they want to do is, what's going on, Mom? What's going on, Mom? This is what's going on. And so it's reaching that, one spot there, and then the rest comes to the door. So this downpour, we hope will subside, and I wonder how the bucket's doing now, Sal. Yep, it's coming near the door. Sal, do you love the rain? I didn't get it last time. Come on, let's hear it. You gonna say? I love the rain. You gotta turn and say it like you mean it. He loves the rain, and he can't swim. And I'm the drone rat filming all of this. Should be quite a video at the end, and hopefully it's not in my house. The bucket's gonna fill up again. Yeah, you need a beer? Oh my God, look at it come off the roof! Larry, my builder, is coming here at 12:30 in 10 minutes to try to help me with the fucking gutters! I need gutters! I didn't get gutters. Note to Lee, you're an asshole. You did not get gutters. But anyways, wow. Wow, wow. That's why all the highways are flooded, and why I probably won't make my hair appointment. I'm supposed to be going to Mexico tomorrow, Rocky Point, my first vacation since 2006, and wow, what a way to go, huh? What a way to go.
It's the worst ever, huh?
This is the worst ever. Yes, Sal, it's the worst ever. You know what I just see plugged in? Ha ha ha, my lights. Oh, we have an issue here. Oh, but it's got a box on it, and it has a GFI, it'll trip. But doesn't that tree look pretty? Oh, it's a weeping willow tree. It's really nice. It lights up at night, and it thinks it's night. You're doing a good job, Sal, because it's not getting farther in. The bucket is helping. That was my idea. Of course, we have the added thunder and lightning effect. I don't see the lightning, but man, you hear the thunder? It's like they're throwing trash cans around up in, or you know what? They're bowling in heaven, Sal.
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like. They're bowling in heaven.
Yeah. I'm bowling down here.
Wow. I think they're getting strikes.
What?
I think they're getting strikes. If they're bowling in heaven, those loud noises are strikes.
Oh. I think I'm struck by the thunder.
No, that's lightning you would get struck by. The poor kid, I have to teach him the difference between thunder and lightning. Okay, so let's go back here. And here's Gabby. Hi, Gabby. I love you too. Hi, Lobo. I love you too. Yes, Sal loves the rain. He's protecting the house. This sucks. What do you think? We need more towels? We can get the mats from, well, I don't know. At this point, I don't know. We just let the whole place flood, Sal. I don't think it'll get in the house. If we put up enough stuff here, it won't go. I don't think it'll go to here and get in the house. No. Well, hey, that's my guess, Sal. That's my guess. Don't fall in the pool, I'll have to save you. Be careful. What do you think, Sal?
I think I still love the rain.
What? You're changing your mind?
I still love the rain.
You still love the rain.
It's almost over.
Yeah. Now we get struck by lightning. All right. Now the lightning bolt comes down, hits the water, runs up the dam, and zap. Come on. You love the rain. Come on. Hey, you can learn how to swim right out here.
First lesson.
First lesson. Wow, it really did. How many inches we got here? Around 3? Here, let me go step on it. You film me, okay? I'm gonna go step in the water. Take my shoes off. Okay. Oh, that was lightning. That's not fair. Here's the broom. How many inches did we get out there? Oh my God, it's over my feet. How about over here? Woo! 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 Oh my God! Oh! Don't do it that way. It's gonna come out wrong. You gotta do it that way. Anyways, I love the rain part. 9, 10, 11, and let's hope I get cleared soon. All right. And so that ends part one of We Hate the Rain. I do.